Gorgutz DOW is an Ork warlord, originally a warboss of the Evil Sun's clan, who was involved in 3 major campaigns against the military forces of the Imperium of Man, and most of the other major illiterate species of the galaxy during the final century of the 34th millennium. Ork Gorgutz eventually included elements from the Ork clans known as the Head Crushers, the Foot Stompers, the Rocket Rangers, the Burner Boys, the Quick Mechs, and the Rock Claws. Gorgutz first came to prominence during the Battle for Lorne 5, where he temporarily allied with and then took the head of Lord Krull, a World Eaters Traitor Legion champion of Chaos, who had contested the Orks and the Imperial Guard for control of a deactive Imperator-class Emperor Titan that lay partially buried on that world. After being defeated on Lorne 5 by the victorious Imperial Guard, he fled in an Ork rock to the worlds of Cronus and built up his war once more, only to once again be defeated, this time by the forces of the Blood Raven Space Marine chapter. Finding that retreat was the better part of valor once more, Gorgutz and the remains of his war arrived in the Kurava system, settling his forces on the world of Kurava 2. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.